bought me these Toughbuilt Sawhorses, job site work table. They hold 1,300 pounds each. So with these 2x4s running across it, a sheet of plywood on top here, I could put a ton on top of these and it will hold it. Today, I'm denailing these. I'm going to denail all of these because these are my kitchen walls that will be going up next week. And I've got enough to do them. This has that like grit paper on top of it, so nothing will slide on it. See that? You don't have to worry about that. You can put 2x6s in here, sacrificial 2x6s, and cut plywood on it. It's just really a neat system. You saw they were adjustable heights too. You flip these down, then you could take a sheet of drywall or plywood or whatever you want. Set it on there and cut it. So you had to cut this, you know. And it's sturdy as hell. This side is first. There's sawhorses, 1,300 pounds each. Those things are awesome. And we were walking through Lowe's one day, and I just said, wow, those are nice, I like those. And you can get them, they've got ones that you can put 4x4s in, they're the runners, and pivotable legs, and I mean, I don't need all that shit. I needed a pair of tough sawhorses and a job site work table. You know, I won't have a problem when I go to planing all this stuff over here, setting the planer on top of that and running them through. Then, you know, it's a portable work table as well. So, perfect. No fear setting those up, putting a sheet of plywood on top of it, getting my generator, putting it up on top to do the maintenance on the generator, put the lawnmower up on it. I don't have to worry about it, you know, being weak or anything. Just a good system. Thank you, Gail, or Santa, whoever brought them. You know, I really appreciate it.